Ever tried juggling multiple calendars and appointments and felt like you're always two steps behind? TidyCal is designed to simplify all of that. It lets you set up meetings in seconds with no subscriptions, just a one-time payment through AppSumo. If you'd like to check it out, you'll find my affiliate link in the description. So, what exactly is TidyCal? It's a powerful yet simple scheduling tool that gives you your own customizable booking page, connects seamlessly with your calendars, and even lets you accept payments for your sessions. With TidyCal, managing your availability and bookings becomes effortless. One of the best parts is the lifetime deal. With the individual plan for just $29, you get up to 10 calendar connections, unlimited booking types, group sessions, custom availability, buffer times, paid bookings through Stripe or PayPal, and even embedding options to put your booking page right on your website. If you need more, there's also an agency plan for $79 that adds team features, unlimited members, team pages, round robin scheduling, and SMS reminders. TidyCal integrates directly with Google, Office 365, and iCal calendars, checking your availability in real time to make sure you're never double booked. You can even connect multiple accounts and sub calendars to keep everything perfectly in sync. Customization is another strong point. You can design your booking page with your own colors and branding, set buffer times between meetings, limit how many bookings you allow in a day, and even create polls so clients or team members can vote on the best time to meet. And for those who want to monetize their time, TidyCal makes it simple to accept paid sessions. With PayPal or Stripe, you can set a price for consultations, coaching calls, or any other service. On top of that, your profile can be added to TidyCal's exclusive directory, helping you get discovered by new clients. Let's walk through a quick example. Imagine you're setting up a new booking type. With just a few clicks, you can define your availability, add buffer times, set whether it's a one-on-one call or a group session, and even add a payment option if it's a paid event. Once you connect your calendar, TidyCal automatically prevents conflicts, so you don't have to worry about double booking. This kind of simplicity is exactly why the AppSumo lifetime deal is such a steal. If you want to secure it for yourself, check out the affiliate link in the description. Now, let's talk about who this is best for. TidyCal is ideal for freelancers, consultants, coaches, tutors, agencies, or really anyone who books meetings regularly. Instead of paying for expensive alternatives like Calendly, which often cost over $100 per year, you can pay once and use TidyCal forever. That's a huge cost saving for small businesses and solopreneurs. The team behind TidyCal also keeps releasing updates. In 2025 alone, they've rolled out a redesigned booking editor, new theme customization options, SMS reminders, confirmation emails, and API improvements. Over 200,000 users have already created more than 3.7 million bookings, with over $9 million in paid sessions processed. Clearly, this is a tool that's growing and improving constantly. So, to wrap this up, TidyCal gives you simple, powerful scheduling without the monthly fees. It's reliable, easy to use, and extremely affordable thanks to the AppSumo lifetime deal. If you'd like to check it out, my affiliate link is waiting for you in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AppSumo product reviews and tutorials.